Hi guys, Sean Morley here, back again with another video for the internet. This one is top 10 celebrity cough impressions you need to see. Just going to jump straight into it now, right with number 10. And that's it. Top 10 celebrity cough impressions that you need to see. Now guys, if you want to help me out, you can like, subscribe, or better yet, just download the video, put it on a USB, and then put it in a little hole for future generations. I'm really worried YouTube's not going to exist in about 10 years. Just put it in a little hole for my future friends, okay guys? Just in your garden. Use a trowel, for instance. You can buy a trowel anywhere. Home base will have a trowel. You have to buy the trowel. I'm not floating everyone money for a trowel. I don't know how far this is going to go. So I don't know. If I was going to float everyone money for a trowel, how could I budget for that? Right guys, thanks so much for watching. Peace out. Just be peaceful. I'm a pacifist. Just be peaceful.